Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna and today we're going to be making chow mein. Chow mein is actually one of my favorite dishes to make. You're probably saying, Rosanna, you say that about every recipe you post, but what can I say? I'm a foodie. I love food and I get even more excited with ingredients like this. I don't have exact measurements for everything that I'm using today, but I will give you estimates. And we're gonna kind of freestyle today, so it's gonna be even more fun. So to start off, I wanna show you what I'm using for my dish. First is going to be our meat. This is actually a beautiful piece of flank steak. It's about 1.5 pounds, and I've gone ahead and thinly sliced it, and I sliced it against the grain. I have also cut up 3 garlic cloves, and you wanna make sure that they're not too thin. You don't want to mince them because you don't want them to burn while they're cooking in that really high heat. You also need about 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. I shredded about 1 cup of purple cabbage, but in reality you will only probably need 1/2 cup. You also want to slice some green onions. I have about 8 shiitake mushrooms that I've gone ahead and sliced, and I love the flavor of shiitake mushrooms. I love that earthiness that it has in it, so I'm definitely incorporating this into my recipe. And you're gonna need some julienne carrots, and then also about 1 cup of bean sprouts. For this recipe, I will need about 14 to 16 ounces of cooked egg noodles. Cook according to packaging instructions. Remember to slightly undercook them. Once done, drain and coat with oil so they don't stick. Let's get right to it because I have to show you how to do our sauce so we can move on to our actual cooking. Okay, so for our sauce, we're going to do 1/2 cup of mushroom sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, our 3 garlic cloves that we minced, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 1 teaspoon of sriracha. Give it a mix. Guys, this smells so good already. So you know what? Let's get started on our cooking. Let's move over to the stove. Make sure you choose the hottest burner in your stove. We need the highest heat to be able to cook our chow mein. I will add a combination of vegetable and sesame seed oil. Your oil should heat really fast. So go ahead and add your flank steak. Add salt for seasoning and let it get a nice brown color. Guys, I don't have a wok, but I will be using my skillet and we'll make it work. For all of you watching at home, a wok should not stand between you and your favorite dishes. So let's make it work. Once your meat is done, remove and add your onions, red bell peppers, and mushrooms. Stir around and add your carrots. Lightly saute your vegetables, and if at any point you feel like you need more oil, feel free to add. Now stir in your cabbage. Incorporate your bean sprouts. At this point, I would like to invite you to subscribe, like, and share our videos with friends and family. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any recipes we upload. Back to our skillet, go ahead and add your egg noodles and then your meat. At this point, go ahead and add your sauce and mix it well to make sure that every single noodle gets covered in your sauce. Continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. Before you take off the stove, taste, and if it needs more salt, feel free to add soy or mushroom sauce. Once ready, take off the heat. To garnish, I will take the ends of my green onions that we chopped up earlier and top it off. Now all that's left to do is plate and enjoy. I grew up surrounded by my Hispanic heritage, a very rich and profound culture. My mom's cooking definitely planted that seed of respect and love for food. So I love to explore and taste different ingredients and flavors. Chow mein was not a dish I grew up eating, but its flavors captivated me, so I had to learn how to make it. I definitely share the love for this incredible and delicious dish filled with vegetables, meat in such profound flavors. It's goodness in a plate. This recipe is so good. It's so delicious. I've actually made this in the past with pork and it's incredible as well. So you definitely have options to make it and give it a twist on your own. Do whatever you like, whatever you desire. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give us a like if you like this video and leave us some love down in the comment area. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a great rest of your day.